one cool story I remember, which was we'd been working on the Porta printer for about 2 semesters now. And this was the first time we thought about it as a startup, not just a project. And our mentor, who had seen us work on it for a very long time, he asked us, what's the progress? Now I said, we're almost done. We got some axes working, but it's still not complete. And he immediately snapped and responded like, you guys always say that it's almost done. I want you to prove it to me that it's almost done.
He simply said, just take a Sharpie, tape it to the extruder, and at least 2D print something for me. And if you do this by tomorrow morning, I'll get you guys Starbucks.
I called up Karan and I was like, hey, do you think we can actually do this in one night? And he was like,
Yes, we're gonna do this. I go, we grab 2 or 3 energy drinks,
and we just work on it the whole night.
and halfway through the night,
We just realized, why just try to 2D print something? Why not raise the bar and actually see if you can 3D print something?
we start jerry-rigging everything. We start super gluing stuff we should definitely not be super gluing, all to just make it work enough to make one print.
That was the first time we got a working, functional prototype, and we showed it to our mentor the next morning. So